show the camera. Bang it. Bang it. Bang it. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Good girl. Hey, no, you don't want to drop it.
Think of your hair being pink. Do you like it? What do you have to say about that? She says a lot of people comment on it, but pink is not her favorite color.
Oh, really?
Really. She doesn't mind having her hair colored, but pink really isn't what the color she would choose. Yes.
Why?
Why?
That's interesting because that's the leg he jammed.
Oh, good girl, protecting your brother. She says, you're not mad at me, Mom?
No.
Honestly think I was born with it, and being born with it, I didn't really think that it was anything that special for many years because I've always had animals surrounding me in my life. But when I'm thinking back now in my career, that basically I realized it when I was about 3 years old with my first dog. Can I touch your body? Can you tell me how you're feeling? I talk to all the animals, dogs, cats, horses, lizards, turtles. George, how do you feel? How's your body? What? Do you want to see my fingers? These are my fingers, that's all they are. She says, oh, she can't eat all that much that quick. It's the same things, right? My rates are $150 for the hour for a session, whether it's by phone or in person. Hello, hi Jazzy. Hello, Lucky. Come on. Come on, little one. Yeah, it's okay. Honestly, I've only talked to one animal in all my communication work that told me that he had been reincarnated. And it was actually a special message for me from a horse. The horse had told me that he was a Chumash Indian chief in a previous life. I don't know. However the information is transmitted to me or through me, somehow it's converted into words. A lot of communicators don't hear speech. They just see pictures, or they get an intonation of emotion, you know, a feeling. I get all of that, but I'm lucky enough where I do hear actual voice. Something with to do with his head, maybe a head injury, or I can't imagine him getting shot, but maybe he was shot for some reason. I don't understand. Yes, they know I'm coming, especially Bubba. Oh, he was an awesome dog. One of my sister's dogs. Didn't like too many people. Okay, he's speaking, and he's saying that you're doing better in school. Are you?
Yeah.
He's proud of you that you're doing better in school now. He wants you to get another cat. It touches him when you have that moment in your heart for him, that you miss him and you look at his toys. So he'd like you to share those with the new cat. Frisky, I want to thank you for coming forward and sharing yourself with me today.
I connected, like I felt him. Frisky. I saw him playing around.